this is the quickest way to add the alternative text to an image in Google Docs. So alternative text is useful for accessibility or just giving the image some context to people with visual impairment. So I think this is a very useful addition to your document to ensure that it is readable to the broadest audience possible. So to do that, just click on the image and then right click on it, click alt text, or you can also use this keyword shortcut, and here on the alt text menu you can add some description for this photo. So in this case I think I'm going to add some description like a woman with blonde hair, and you can also open these advanced options to give a title for this image. This is useful if you want to publish the document to the web, but this is optional. So anyway, when you're done, you can click anywhere on the document, or you can close this image option, and that's basically it. You have added a alternative text to that image in Google Docs.